Hello and welcome back to another video, and today I am taking a look at the Ringke Slim Magnetic Galaxy Z Flip 7 case, which is clear. So yeah, I'm just going to take out the wrapping, pop it on the phone, have a look and give my thoughts. If you're interested in another case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, I also did a video on the Samsung Galaxy Kind suit case in black as like a faux leather case for the Z Flip 7, so take a look at that. I'll put a card in the description of this video so you guys can see. But yeah, let's get this open, get this on the phone, have a look and see what it is like. Okay, so inside the box we have this Ringke dust sticker here. We've got some adhesive strips. I always find these a bit finicky to apply. And then we have the slim magnetic clear case as well. So it's got the magnetic ring here for any of your Magsafe devices. And it is a clear plastic, so it allows you to at least show off your the color of your phone. So in my case I have the mint colored Samsung Galaxy, beautiful color, so at least this case will allow me to continue to show off that color. So very similar to the other cases, like the Kind Suit one. You've got the top half here, you've got the cutouts here for the sections here for the buttons, and then obviously for the speakers and microphones and things like that here. And then at the bottom as well, you've got the bottom half of the case, again cutouts for speakers, microphone. Again, there at the bottom, got Ringke logo on the side here, and then obviously you've got the magnetic ring here for your MagSafe devices. So fairly simple, but yeah, should be fairly easy to just pop it on the phone. So we'll start with the top half first. So if we open up the phone, now there's no instruction manual included, which is a bit of a shame. I'm sure if you go to the Ringke website, there'll probably be like a video or instructions on how to fit this, but to be fair, it shouldn't be that difficult. You clearly can see that this is the top part and this is the bottom part, and based on the other devices, the other case that I've done recently, it's fairly simple to kind of just, you do the top part first, attaching it like that. Again, I guess it's your choice if you want to use the adhesive strips. If you find that it's slipping off, I guess you could use those, but I'm not going to use those in this particular instance. So done the top half here, it fits on quite nicely. And now I'll do the bottom part here. Now this case will have tracked fingerprints, so be mindful of that. I always keep a microfiber cloth handy for such occasions. So yeah. But again, these cases are really simple to put on, which is good. And yeah, you got those on there, and then just fold that. Yeah, simple. Gives it a nice, it's nice. Gives you the decent protection, but it allows you to show off the, still show off the color of the phone, which is something I quite like. Something I'm quite pedantic about, I think, is being able to show off the color of the phone. You've got like these raised ridges here, so that gives you added protection on your phone. Let's try and get a bit closer for you so you can see. So you've got these raised ridges here, so it gives you added screen protection that goes all the way around. So for the camera cutouts there as well, that's quite nice. So if you're putting it flat, gives you a bit of protection there. It's kind of raised up, so it's not actually touching the the surface that you put it on, so that's quite nice. It's pretty good there. Yeah, no cutout for your SIM card slot there, which is a bit of a shame. But yeah, I guess you take the case off to do that. But yeah, that's something I think a bit of an oversight almost, I think. But yeah, decent coverage on there. You've got a MagSafe ring there, which is good. And then, as I said, got your Ringke lettering there, and then your cutouts for your volume rocker. Or sorry, I should say your buttons for your volume rocker there. And then you cut out for your power button there. And then at the bottom, you've got your cutouts here for your various outputs here. So I think this is speakers, microphones, etc. Power, and I think that's a speaker actually there. So these are probably microphones. So yeah, you've got those cutouts there as well. But yeah, other than that, I think it's quite a decent case. You know, it gets the job done. And I think I prefer this over the Kind Suit case actually, mostly because it allows me to retain the color. But yeah, I think this is more my cup of tea, so to speak. So yeah, that is the Ringke Slim Magnetic case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. The one last thing I will check is just the charging abilities with the case on, because it's always good to confirm that that actually is working. So let me get my trusty portable power bank. Right, so here's my trusty Magsafe portable power bank. So literally just going to pop it on top. Zoom in for you, and if we pop it on top there, yeah, easy. So it charges perfectly fine through the case. That's always good. Oh, I forget how strong the magnet is on this thing. Let's do that again. There you go. As you can see, charging quite nicely. So yeah, as I said, that is the Ringke Slim Magnetic case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. I do like it. It ticks all the boxes, I think, for me. Keeps a slim profile, allows you to see the original color of the phone itself. It's got nice protection for the, you know, a nice ridge on the cover screen, should I say here. And yeah, it's slim. Again, no hinge protection, but I think that's the norm of these cases. If you want something more, then you're probably going to need to look at a different case that offers full round protection. But yeah, other than that, it's I think a decent case. Let me double check the price actually. I picked this up for what I think is a very reasonable price actually. It was £21.99 from Amazon UK. And yeah, I think in comparison to the Samsung one, which is a faux leather case that I mentioned earlier, the Kind Suit one, which is £80, the difference is quite stark, should I say. So yeah, £21.99 from Amazon UK, and yeah, quite like it. It's got Magsafe on there, nice design, clear case, transparent, lightweight and protective. So yeah, job well done. Anyway, as always, if you like these videos, please smash that like button, subscribe if you are somebody new, and leave a comment down below. And as always, I will see you lovely people on the next one. Cheers.